So as per Milton, there is one and only one social responsibility that a corporation has towards society, that to maximize its profit. So what do you guys think?
I don't totally agree with Milton Friedman that is business of business is just business, and I think that corporation has more responsibility towards the society as well, and its only responsibility is not of making profits. What do you think, Pushpendra?
I think the purpose behind we have started business so that we can contribute to the society as well as ourselves. So the basic reason behind we have started business that we will make some profit out of it, and after making profit we will contribute to the society. So I agree with your opinion that business of business is not just business. We have to contribute to the society as well.
I think that the main reason why organization exists is because of profits, and this social responsibility is a way that organization sees to gain reputation and convert that reputation into profits. Let us see the difference between outside and inside the IIM Bangalore campus. This is a scene outside the IIM Bangalore campus, and now let us see inside IIM Bangalore. As we can see that inside there are a lot of environmental initiatives taken by the institute.
Always they will take something from the society. It is equally important for the business unit, be it a corporate, be it any other business unit, they have to give back to the society. How? This is the one of the channel where we can have a corporate social responsibility. Even in fact, now recently there was an amendment to this effect from the Parliament, though it has not been passed, but the bill was placed before the Parliament to make it at least 10%, some percentage of your profit should go as a corporate social responsibility development program. So in that respect, it is not that I am saying, it is society needs that one. Why? Because the company or the business unit, definitely they will be taking something from the society. Equally, they have to give it back. These are one opportunities where they can give to the society, and while doing that one, they can understand how the society works. Because whenever I am doing a business, yes, definitely I will always keep that my EBITDA should be on top, means I should make the profit. But nevertheless, I am also equally responsible for the society to see that one they are also being taken care. So in that way, I definitely say that one, yes, company or corporate also is having equal responsibility to contribute something back to the society, because they are taking something from the society, be it whatever the resources.
Okay. Like we are also working on the CSR, corporate social responsibility.
So
business is a media basically. It is not the objective. It is a media to serve the society, to serve the nation, to serve the people especially. So those business executives, those who have not thought of the only ROI, return on investment, but they thought of it is what is giving them the satisfaction out of it. Then we find sometimes creativity is the one value which gives them satisfaction. So business is not restricted as an activity to earn the money, but it is for the fulfillment of the need of the creativity satisfaction. So how to satisfy that I have created something, I have generated something. So if you take example of Dhirubhai Ambani, if you take example of Ratan Tata, if you take example of Steve Jobs, so everywhere we find they have not worked for money basically. They have worked for the self-satisfaction, self-esteem, self-realization. So I think it is the
but purpose. Sir, profit is also important for companies. So what is the limit that about that profit?
Yes, definitely it will vary from individual to individual, right? So whenever we talk about what is the profit, first we have to define the profit. What is the profit? Profit is that whatever you have made the investment, you are getting the enough return so that you can continue with your business and fulfill the needs. Now again, the needs are to be defined. If my need is 100 crore, So what is the profit for me? Till I do not earn the 100 crore, it will not be profit. But is it rational? Is it logical? Or if I have invested 100 crore and I want 10% profit, 15% profit, 20% profit, then whatever the profit I earn, what will be the investment again in that profit, that is more important. If I earn money and I keep in the bank, I earn money and generate another property and another. So it is a non-ending process basically. So nobody can define the profit. It varies from individual to individual according to me. But what is important is whatever you earn, how do you share it? That is very much. We can understand by a simple example. When you run a family, head of the family, he earns a particular amount money, right? Now how he shares that money, how he makes the investment of money. So profit, defining the profit is very difficult. But one thing which I understand is the sharing of profit is more important than only earning the profit. So therefore I do not ignore the profit importance, but it is not the ultimate goal, what I want to say.
So why should business corporations and institutions like IMB go beyond their responsibility of profit making?
It's very simple. See, society, business and government are interrelated. In fact, business and government are contained within the society. It's only fair that since business takes so many inputs from society in terms of labor and the market, for example, that business gives back a little to the society.